What's up, guys? I'm back. Hopefully I'm going to be back on the grind soon and uploading more and more and more. Got a pretty cool video for you guys today, and I hope you guys are going to like it. So let's flip the camera around and show you. So before, when I last did a video, I have my dad's 140 and my 100. And since we've upgraded a little, so we have my 100. My dad's 140 got crushed by a semi on the back of our van. So we got a KTM, a 2016 KTM 125 that he's been riding. He just picked that up not too long ago. And while the wheel's off, he just got a new back tire on that, as you can tell. And we got to put the new sprocket, new grips, and new chain on there too. And I got a pit bike, KLX 110 R. Sorry, KLX 110R. And as you can see, I've already put big bars on it. I don't actually remember what these bars are. I know that they're Pro Taper. I'm not sure what they are, though. What model. But they're pretty tall bars. So really, really nice. Got way better like clearance from my knee to my handlebar now. Because I was hitting my knees on the handlebars when I was going down around turns and stuff like that. But not anymore. So today, we got a pretty exciting video. We are going to have a new seat cover, hopefully on by the end of this video. And then I'll continue filming this video through tomorrow. And tomorrow, my graphics are coming. So I'm not going to show you what they look like or anything like that. And this entire thing is bone stock, but besides the bars and the hour meter. The hour meter doesn't really count because that doesn't add anything. But the bars, that's literally it. Okay? So just take one good glance at her while you can of what it looked like when it was stock, okay? Because this thing is going to look a lot different once we're done with it. I'll catch back up with you guys when the seat cover gets delivered, which should be pretty soon. Alright, guys, I just got in the mail my Boom Thrill Seeker seat cover, and it took long enough. Thankfully for you guys have editing, but I've been sitting in my room for about 2.5 hours. Which doesn't sound like a long time. But I've been so excited for this thing. I've been just waiting since about 9 o'clock this morning. And it's 4:43. So, yeah. Alright, here we go. I'm going to tell you. It's not going to look super clean yet. But with the graphics I got, they're going to look minty. Alright, here we go. Got the white ribs with the all black seat. It's going to look dope. I'm going to tell you. It's going to look fire. With the graphics that I got. It's got some nice white outlines on there. You guys are going to love it. But let's do a time lapse of me trying to put this thing on without screaming at the top of my lungs. Alright, y'all. Just cut the last staple out. Got my old seat cover off. Wow, this thing looks so dumb. I don't know why I just did that. Smells good. Smells new, actually. Alright, well, this thing can go. Now we gotta unbox this bad boy. This thing, I can already tell, it's staying in the bag pretty easily. Oh, it's grippy, bro. My old one is nowhere near this. What the heck? Alrighty, what we got? Stickers. Oh yeah, Thrill Seeker stickers. Let me put those in the sticker pile real quick. I have so many stickers over there. And a thank you note from them. Sweet! Alrighty. Now comes the hassle. Me trying to put this thing off. Put this thing on without throwing something across the garage. So, got to get the stapler, staple it back to the bottom, reattach it, and it should look pretty good. But you're gonna see a time lapse of me really struggling. Alrighty, we are done. I have the seat cover on. I gotta be honest, it was not that much of a struggle. I got to still clean up the bottom and cut through this Exodus off, so it looks a little cleaner and put some of the seat cover. But I will see you tomorrow, and I'm not gonna show you the bike with just this one. I'm gonna show you it when it's fully done. And I'm sorry to keep you waiting, but you're only gonna be waiting about like probably 5 seconds. So I'll see you tomorrow when we get the graphics and we're gonna put the